What I learned about class privileges this week was that there is a huge difference between cultures, but everyone wants to work to reduce the space between classes, that nobody feels superior to the other, and that it will take a lot of time and a lot of effort, but if people are willing, then we can do it together.
Privilege creates a lot of inequalities in the society, and that we have to stop it or diminish it.
There's a lot of nuances to empathy, and that you should not really assume that everyone is on the same page as you are.
Privilege is very difficult and everyone has it.
We take a lot of things for granted and we shouldn't. There's just too many people who don't have the same privilege.
One word to describe this week?
Incredible.
Amazing.
Empathy.
Spectacular. Very interesting.
Challenging.
Knowledge.
For me, after this week, there is no such thing as a privilege between people. I consider all the people as equal.